Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's me Beat on here, and today we're gonna do a top speed test with the modified 2023 Honda Monkey. Let's see what we got going. We got the Yoshimura RS3 full system exhaust, the Chimera short rim air intake. We got a flash ECU for the components, and we're gonna see how it does. Before, I used to get around 50-53 miles an hour top speed flat ground, so we're gonna go hit this nice flat ground that's over here and hit that speed test for you guys at the local Amazon warehouse. But we're up in the business parks. We're gonna go see how it works. All right, let's get to it. Alright, let's get it. We got a slight decline of a road right here, but we're gonna see what we can hit. Hopefully you guys can read the odometer. If not, I'll try yelling it into the mic. Alright, test number 1. Go up here, turn around and come back, see if we hit a different number. Let's see what this test number 2 is. 57 miles an hour is already way faster than I was getting. Like I said, I was getting around 50 miles an hour to 53 top speed flat. Alright, no cars. Test number 2. Let's get it. Right back at where we started. Alright, let's do an overview of what we had going on. So, I'm stoked that I can get up to like 59, 60 flat ground. I guess it depends on the slight incline. But overall flat, like on this flattest part that I hit in the beginning, that was the flattest part. And I did top out at 57. Probably could have hit 58 if I was like crunched over and like tucking. But I wasn't, so I mean 57 flat ground's not bad. Overall though, the power of this bike is completely different. I'd be powering up hills like 5 to 10 miles an hour way faster than I used to, and that's a huge difference. When you're going uphill and you're only going like 35, it's kind of a struggle, but now I'm getting at least 45 uphill, and it's pretty impressive. yeah, the next video I guess is gonna be like a overall first impression of these new mods I put on, some little details about it, and it's either gonna be that video or I'm gonna do a video on the MPG range, because like I said, before I modified it, I finally hit 100 MPG stock, which is incredible. But yeah, that'll probably be in the next video, and then we'll do a follow-up video of a overall analysis of these modifications. I just bought a rear rack for it though. It's this like retro looking chrome to go onto the back, so I'm going to be installing that probably Saturday when it gets here. And then you can actually change out these signal lens covers. I don't like the yellow. I think it pops out too much and it just doesn't look that great. So I'm going to order some clear ones so it looks a lot better and doesn't really pop out as much. I got the fender eliminator on there for Man in the Box. But yeah, overall I haven't really done much else. But if I do, I will make videos on it for sure. If you guys enjoyed this video and it was informative in any way, drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below if there's any other types of content you'd like to see with this mini moto, because I am having a blast with this thing now. Before it was fun, but now it's a whole nother level of fun. Appreciate you guys. Peace.